fac à leurs occupations. Dans le temps, les jeunes qui pilaient le manioc séchaient afin de faire de la farine pour préparer la pâte de manioc. On appelle ça usekura.
Sikuru mudindizo abo hakurya bumve nibumva ndabime nawurimye bambona nzoburya bansaba di Sikuru mudindizo abo hakurya bumve nawurimye bambona nzoburya bansaba di
This is a typical image of Burundi in the old days, where young ladies are going about their chores. During those days, girls used to grind dried cassava roots in order to make flour for the cassava paste. It is called usekura. It is a simulation because it's all over Canada and we're unable to find one.
La transformation du grain en farine se faisait par l'écrasement du grain avec deux pierres, usia.
The transformation of grains into flour for the paste was done by squashing the grain between two stones. It is called usia.
Cielo muvyeyi rusyo rusyera mahoro mamano rusyera nkarubona gakayabu ndabusya gakunda inyama ndabusya kaziriye ndabusya mwabarondo mwe ndabusya ndabukoze iki Cielo muvyeyi rusyo rusyera mahoro mamano rusyera nkarubona kakayabu ndabusya gakunda inyama ndabusya kaziriye ndabusya mwabarondo mwigo ndabusya ndabukoze iki Cielo muvyeyi rusyo rusyera urwanwa mamano rusyera nkarubura kakayabu ndabusya gakunda inyama ndabusya kaziriye ndabusya ngo mwabarondo mwigo ndabusya ndabukoze iki
Une jeune fille séparait le lait du beurre donné aux enfants. Le beurre sera utilisé plus tard pour cuire les aliments. On appelle ça bouteille.
They also separated milk from butter. The milk was given to the children and the butter was later used to cook the food. It is called butere.
Rita ningoga zawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye Rita ningoga gisawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye wabana barize ngorore ngororokeye ngo bashaka makuyano ngorore ngororokeye Debora yarize ngorore ngororokeye washaka makuyano Rita ningoga gisawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye Rita ningoga gisawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye ngo mwishaka barize ngorore ngororokeye ngo bashaka makuyano ngorore ngororokeye abana barize ngorore ngororokeye ngo bashaka makuyano ngorore ngororokeye Rita ningoga gisawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye Rita ningoga gisawogio zintore ngorore ngororokeye Duke dukenya
Toutes ces activités sont accompagnées de chants, porteurs de messages d'amour et d'amitié, de reconnaissance. Avez-vous déjà eu un ami qui vous tire du gouffre, qui vous tend la main, cet ami qui vous nourrit, qui vous a nourri quand vous avez faim?
All these chores were accompanied by singing. This song has a message of love, friendship, and gratitude. Have you ever had a friend to pull you from the abyss, who lent you a helping hand? That friend fed you when you were hungry.
More